This is a short vowel sound. It's pronounced eh. Now you try. Listen again and repeat after me. Eh. Eh. Now here are some words which have this sound. Dress, head, bed, many. Now you try. Listen again and repeat after me. Dress, head, bed, many. Good. Speakers of some languages may have difficulty telling the difference between this sound, the short vowel eh, and another sound, the short vowel I. Listen carefully to hear the difference. In each example, I'll say the word with the short vowel eh first. Bed, bid, medal, middle, dead, did, fell, fill, pen, pin. Now you try. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Bed, bid, medal, middle, dead, did, fell, fill, pen, pin. Good.
Please consider subscribing. Thanks.